Hi, Mark here, Managing Director of All My Systems. How much does CRM cost? Now, this is a key question that gets asked around the web all of the time. You'll find a whole load of resources out there about it, but people come to us with those kinds of questions as well. And for us, there's three stages to kind of this process, but also CRM is a key part of your business, and it's about making sure you treat it with the same level of discernment and the same level of really certainty about what you want to do with your business and its future. And so we analyse costs and think about your infrastructure. So if you're looking at moving to a new building and you're currently at 5 staff and you want to take your business to 50 staff, moving buildings is a hugely disruptive thing to do. And so if you can find the right premises that meets your needs now and in 5 years' time when you're at 50 staff, that would be perfect. We view CRM in the same way. If you invest in the right system from the start, one that can grow with your business and expand, even better. And so typically there's going to be several elements to a CRM project. There's going to be implementation or build. How do you configure it and add the fields and forms and the layouts and the screens and get them all designed around how your business needs to function, but also how your users need to get the most from the system as well. So we've got implementation. There's likely to be some kind of licensing fee in place as well on a monthly basis, or maybe there might be an annual subscription model. And so there's going to be some money on a per user model typically within the cloud that you need to be aware of. Then there's support. Support numbers would also include how many people you've got using the system and whether there's any restrictions on the type of support you might have in place, whether you can only have maybe email-based support or whether your system or provider would provide phone-based support as well. Here at All My Systems, we like to be open and honest and transparent about how we operate. And so for us, it's about making sure that you get the right structure in place for how you want your system to be costed. Very simply, one of our streamlined packages, for example, Simplify, it starts at just £1,500. And that gets you your setup with your data migration, your training and confidence that you've got the right system to build your business on. We've got a middle package called Strengthen, that's £2,500, and that's where you can build some quotes and you can get some kind of really decent order processing or order management in there as well. We've then got the Scale package, and that's where you're really looking at some efficiencies in your business. And we're looking at integration with finance systems so you can really get economies of scale and less data duplication throughout. Support is just £15 per user per month, and licensing starts from about £3.80 per user per month up to £30.20 per user per month and upwards, depending on how you want to grow the functionality of your business. Licensing only works out at something like the cost of a couple of hours time per user per month. And when you realise the time savings, which is significant when you invest in CRM, those 2 hours per person per month just dwarf basically. They're just so insignificant compared to the value that you're getting from your system. I hope that's been useful. If you wanted to find out about any bespoke prices, just give us a call. They could start at £2,000 or they could go up to beyond that, depending on what you're wanting to do. If you're wanting to put your whole business into the system, which would make sense if you're wanting to scale your business properly or get some efficiencies in there, then we'd obviously need to put the price in there to meet the needs and requirements of what you want the system to do. If you want to get in touch, give us a call and we can give you a free, no obligation systems audit and we can have a chat about where your business is heading in the future. I hope that's been useful. I'll speak to you soon. Thanks. Bye now.